Hello guys, say hello to the cat. It's raining out and snowy. He's not too impressed. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Well, I am cooking hamburgers. I got it on, what do we call it? Medium. Medium. I did have it on high and both burners red hot. So anyway, I'm not used to cooking. So anyway, I turned it down low, and low's too slow, so I turned it back on medium. I was told that you cook one side until it's sort of done, then flip it over and do the other side. You don't keep flipping them back and forth. I don't know. This is actually the first time I've ever done it. These were in the freezer. I brought them out this morning. They were already made. Yeah, I haven't been too busy out in the garage. The rusty Can-Am frame, I did manage to sandblast it, and I got all the batteries out, and they're in the house here. My mom is in the hospital. She's heart situation. She's 91. Please, anyway, today she was doing a lot better. Hopefully everything goes well, but not going to tell you all the details. But please don't fill the comments with "hope your mom's feeling better," because it's kind of a given. Everybody wishes the best for everybody. But anyway, this is actually, I think, the first time in my life I ever cooked hamburgers. I got, I better probably turn that down. There. This electric range, it works, everything works. This knob here is broken, it doesn't work. I might be able to fix it because that's for that burner. 1927. It has been used for like 15 years. But anyway, I cleaned up the burner and cleaned up because I had junk sitting on top of it. And I did have these on the wood stove and for like an hour, and it wasn't actually doing anything. The wood stove wasn't quite hot enough. And I don't have a plastic fork, so I'm very carefully trying to move things around without scratching. Because I'm not sure, but I think this frying pan will scratch. So yeah, good. And I got good quality cheese in the fridge and 4 hamburger buns. So now I'm not going to eat 4 hamburgers. I'll eat 2 hamburgers, and the other 2 will be wrapped up and put in the fridge, and I'll heat them up at a later date, probably tomorrow. But anyway, that's kind of that. Let them cook a little bit more. Don't want them undercooked. This umbrella plant that you see here about 5 years ago, it flowered back up in here, and this summer it flowered right here. And this branch only has 1 leaf, but anyway, there's a flower. It only happens Very, very seldom does it happen. And I got a money plant, and of course another Can-Am tail light, and a bag of marshmallows and good quality bread. But here's my 4 hamburger buns. I haven't cleaned up too much here. I'm slowly working my way in the cleaning department. Cleaning up behind me is kind of a brand new concept for me. I've never been known to clean up behind me. I got a fair amount of cleaning up. But anyway, I'm psyching myself up. I'm getting restless in the house. I'm going to start playing around a little bit in the garage pretty darn soon, at least part-time. I go visit Mom every day. But anyway, today she was doing a lot better. She was up walking around a little bit. Anyway, I'm gonna let you guys go for a bit. See you later.